It's all really, I mean, of course, alam naman po natin, sabi natin kanina, manipis naman ho talaga yung linya between the majority and the minority. We've known that. But was it really siguro what pushed a possible stronger attempt at this coup was because of the Blue Ribbon Committee partial draft report, sir?
I don't know the connection, pero I can only speculate na meron ding kinalaman 'yon. Possibly. Kasi pwedeng ang pitch doong kabila is, you see, hindi naman tayo kayang protektahan ng present leadership. That could also be a selling idea, so to speak, na para makakuha ng members. What if the same thing happens to you and you will not be protected by the Senate leadership, then kaya namin gawin yan. That's my opinion. Ano? Wala ako pinagbabasihan, wala ako pinagugutan. I can only give that analysis.